How to fix keyboard not working in laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your keyboard not working on your laptop. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin now. First step that you will need to take is open up your task manager. Now, without your keyboard to open it up, you will have to just hover over to your taskbar, right click on it, and you'll see task manager. So on your task manager, what you might want to do is check if your CPU and memory is not completely occupied. So sometimes when your CPU is, getting too many requests, it has consumed too much of your CPU or memory. Your laptop might get hang and your keyboard might not seem like it's working. So check that, and if it's completely fine, you'll need to open up your device manager. To open up your device manager, you can right click on your Windows icon right here. Then you should find your device manager. You'll find device manager, tap on it to open it up. After you open up your device manager, what you'll then need to do is locate your keyboard. So it's right here. Locate your keyboard. You can expand on it and you should find your keyboard. After you find it, you can double tap on it to open it up. Head over to the driver option, and all you have to do is update the driver or roll back the driver. If none of those work, uninstall your driver. So simply uninstall it without any worry. And after you uninstall it, after you restart your laptop, it will be automatically installed back. And doing that, your keyboard might just start working. If doing all of that does not fix your keyboard from working, there might be a hardware related issue. So you might want to get it checked and fixed. So yeah, that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.